Imagine swimming in the vast open ocean. Above is the endless sky, and below the mysterious depths hide creatures we can only dream of. Among these are sharks, formidable inhabitants of our blue planet. While much is known about their hunting prowess and striking forms, there is an aspect of these majestic creatures that rarely receives attention: their eyes. Today, we will journey through the fascinating world that a shark sees, uncovering the mysteries that make their vision truly remarkable. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, evolving into extraordinary hunters. Their eyes have adapted to an incredible range of environments, from the sunlit surface waters to the dimness of the ocean's depths. With adaptations that challenge our understanding of vision, sharks offer us a unique perspective of the underwater realm. Unlike human eyes, sharks possess a reflective layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum. This biological mirror enhances how they perceive light, amplifying visibility in the shadowy abyss where they often reside. In this way, sharks can detect even the faint glimmers bouncing off potential prey, an advantage essential for nocturnal hunting. But the innovations of shark vision do not stop there. Sharks have what's known as rod-rich retinas, containing far more rod cells than cone cells. Rod cells are excellent for detecting light intensity and motion, granting sharks superior night vision compared to many other creatures. However, this means sharks are generally considered to be colorblind, with only limited ability to discern colors. Some species may detect variations of certain hues, but their vision is primarily adjusted for tracking movement rather than interpreting vibrant colors. Thus, while a coral reef may appear vividly colorful to us, a shark would experience a more subdued monochromatic world. Interestingly, this does not hamper them. Instead, it enhances their predatory skills, as they can better focus on shapes and movements that signal food or danger. This focus is further sharpened by the lateral line system running lengthwise down their bodies, a network detecting vibrations and water movements akin to extrasensory perception. It is like a constant stream of silent information, painting a comprehensive picture of nearby living and non-living entities. An exceptional feature of some shark species is a nictitating membrane, which acts like a translucent eyelid, protecting their eyes when feasting. However, in species like the great white shark, this characteristic is absent. Instead, they rely on rolling their eyes back into their heads, shielding them from thrashing prey. To complete the picture, sharks have a wider field of vision compared to humans. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, offering nearly 360-degree coverage. Imagine being able to see the world almost fully around you. This superior field of view ensures that sharks miss nothing in their surroundings. As we delve into this enigmatic world, one thing becomes clear. While the shark's vision is not designed for appreciating colors, it exemplifies an adaptation for survival. These creatures, often misunderstood, are intricately tailored by nature to their role as apex predators. They remind us there's much more beneath the surface, a world defined not by how we see it, but by how it's perceived through the eyes of its native inhabitants. In our journey, we've glimpsed a reality far removed from our own. One that is mysterious and practical, efficient and honed by millions of years of evolution. The next time you dive into the ocean, remember the ancient eyes watching you, orchestrating a timeless dance between predator and environment, a tale not only of survival, but also of the profound complexities that allow the shark to navigate its underwater sanctuary. This is the enigmatic world of a shark's vision, a fleeting glimpse into life beneath the waves, and an invitation to further explore the marvels of the deep.